Welcome to Meditation Healing Vibes. I'm so glad you are here. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. This is your time, a scared pause to realign, recharge, and reconnect. Let go of your thoughts and gently settle into stillness. You deserve this moment of peace. Now begin to notice your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose, hold for a moment, and gently exhale through your mouth. With every breath, feel your body soften. Let the tension melt from your shoulders, your neck, your face. Feel your mind becoming still, your heart becoming open. You can loop or rotate these affirmations every 30 to 60 seconds in your mind. Visualize and repeat affirmations. I am calm. I'm centered. I trust the flow of life. With each breath, I return to peace. I am safe. I'm grounded. I'm whole. My mind is clear. My heart is light. I'm connected to the energy of the universe. I release what no longer serves me. Peace surrounds me. Peace lives within me. Now imagine a warm light entering the top of your head. Feel slowly washing down your face, your neck, your chest. This light is healing. Let it dissolve any stress or worry. You are now aligned and protected. Keep noticing your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold for a moment and gently exhale through your mouth. Make this affirmation: I am light. I love myself. I feel supported. Bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Smile gently. And when you are ready, open your eyes softly. Thank you for taking this time to